Nationalites! I just want to thank God Almighty, the beginning and the end. The lily of the valley. Yes, no matter how difficult it is, everybody must appreciate development. Especially when it comes to your own area, when it comes to your own village and community. You have every reason to say, God, thank you, thank you, thank you for bringing it this way, for making impossibilities possible. I sacrifice my voice unto thy throne. Thank you for giving Ndi Igbo Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi. Mwa Jehovah, I say thank you. Thank God for what he has been doing. Thank you for using him mightily here. Thank you. Thank you. This work started just a few days ago. You can't imagine the beginning. You can't. But it is awesome. No matter what it is, we are happy. We are still happy. We are still grateful unto God Almighty for sighting his throne in our own land, in our community, in our village, in our kindred. Nationalites! Thank you. It is you that is worthy. Mouths may say anything, human may imagine anything they like. Mama to you. Help him, help this man. Help him, give him the strength. Give him the strength. Give him the audacity, the courage. Everything works together for good. Unto they that love the Lord, their sorrows shall not be multiplied. After this sacrifice, may our land be blessed. May our communities be blessed. Let your light of glory shine here. Let it shine here. That the world may gather here. Who were once rejected. Who were once not even remembered. Not even put at the sketch of human heart. But Lord, I know it is to thy glory. That your name will be glorified. That we shall be known for something great, that the whole world may gather here. Thank you.
Ex-convicts, Agbalagi na Lapo. Ex-convicts. Ishi Zion, Niken Zion Agbalagi. Ex-convicts, you left a message, now complain about this particular land. Ex-convicts, Ogima Guarani, now Ako Zion is nobody. Ogima Guarani, and this Zion is nobody. Ogima Guarani, that in the Zion they can die pop. The day when you don't talk about them, that they will come after you. Ogima Kunike Zion Agbalagi. Ogima Putara, threatening Mowigin, and the Zion Jipuna Bagan Kegwa Hogenka. Shina Lande Madopo, Agwagogi that a member announced that you should wait until the owner of this place may announce. But you still did not listen. Why are you particularly putting commercial on this land? How Agwagogi gave you this land? How Agwagogi leave this land alone? I gave you Zilaya. I gave you anything about this land. But you never knew. Happen alaka. Why can't you move on and leave this land alone? Happen alaka. Why are you this jobless that you cannot go and get a job? Make yourself busy than patronizing something about Sahongi. How should it happen here? Zion may announce. You are the same person that you came out. You start telling people that the plot of land they are not 15 million, which is all lies. You are the lie that you are the one that also came out and you start fighting on your fighting. Hapuziena alaka. Banono ex-convict ya koga chorono. Oka, ga chorono. You will not get yourself busy. You will not be this miserable. Ga chorono hapo alaka. Leave this land alone. Hapo kan desire no ma ala so ala. Nde wa le video be ya hate be ya na their platform. Ndị nwe ala agwagwa anybody that ha mege anything gbasara ala. They have not put it on their platform. Every day get post ala. Every day get post ala. Guys, because share no video agwa nwoke ka hapụ ala ndị mmadụ aka. Because hapụ ala ndị mmadụ aka ka izuru onwe gị ike. Go and look for better thing to do with your life. Hapụ ndị mmadụ, hapụrụ ndị mmadụ ala ha aka. Hapụrụ ndị Zion ala ha aka. You are an enemy. Ishi na ndị Zion na n'ike ha agwụgo gị. Ishi na akụ na enweghị oge eme na akụ nka. Akụ Zion wa akụ. Hapụzie ihe gbasara ha aka. Go and move on with your life.